Hi happy friends, welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to make an Indian inspired flower arrangement without using a foam. You need a rectangular transparent vase, some pebbles, some flowers and a thin wire to make this arrangement. Let's start making the arrangement. I am making a small arrangement with some roses since my vase is very small. If your vase is big, then you can make a bigger arrangement and you can use any flowers of your choice. I have completed the arrangement. Now I have to fix the arrangement using the wire. I don't want the wire to be visible, so I am covering it with a floral tape. I have prepared two pieces of wire, and using these two pieces of wire, I will fix the arrangement in the container. Now our arrangement is ready to welcome happiness in the house.